A Strada Nova M GRP monocoque, 900 kilograms of payload. It has a total length of 646, a width of 215, and a height of 306 centimeters. The rear garage is accessible via two side flaps with push-to-open locking. The living area impresses with its elegant design, noble wood surfaces, soft leather, and an elegant wall covering. The kitchen has a 2-burner gas stove and a large sink. Below is an 80-liter refrigerator. The bathroom features a toilet, a window, and cabinets for hygiene items. When the sink is folded up, a spacious shower is created, which is separated by a folding shower wall.